another FBA haul video. That's right guys, let's see what I got. Hey, what is up guys, my name is John, thank you all very much for tuning in, and today's video is going to be another little FBA haul. So I've been quite busy last night doing online arbitrage, just sourcing products using Facebook and messaging some sellers. I've been out first thing this morning and collecting some products. So I'm going to quickly run through some of the items that I've picked up, and I'm going to go on Amazon and show you the kind of profit margins that I'll be getting. And I also found an amazing item that will net me over £150 sheer profit in this one little find. So I will put that at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around. Okay, so my first find was a bit of a strange one. I'm not particularly sure about the whole scenario regarding this sale, but I did find it and it was a great little find. So it was a person that was selling on Facebook a Xbox One original controller. So this is the official Xbox One control pad, and also a bunch of games. Okay, now my son, my 5-year-old, has a Xbox One, so I was able to check these out. They are all working in all very good condition, and he was selling this for a whopping total of £10. Now I asked the man, did he have the Xbox One console there? He didn't have the console, so I don't know, I can assume he sold the console and this is what was left, I'm not sure. But he sold these for £10. The Xbox One control pad, the official control pad, is in immaculate condition. So I naturally jumped at the chance at this because I know that Xbox One control pad official items can go for a decent amount of money. And games, some games can net you a good profit. The games there, some of them are quite old, so it won't be anything special, but the money is in the controller. At least with the games, that will already pay for the cost of product anyway. So I'm going to jump over to Amazon. I won't go through all of the games, I won't even go through the games. I can imagine the games would probably net me around about £25 profit, so we'll just say £25 profit. What I am going to look at is the control pad. That is what's important, so I'll switch over now. Okay, so I'm on Amazon now, and this is the official Xbox One wireless control pad. Now, brand new, it is selling for £42.97. Okay, this is used and also in very good condition, so I'm just going to click on the used listings, and you can see here, used in good condition, it sells for £28.59. Okay, now this has got an amazing BSR. Here's the thing though, I am recording this on my main computer, so for some strange reason Helium 10 is not working, so I can't give you the sales rank history, but I have checked it on the laptop and this will sell within the week. It is a very, very quick seller. So for £28.59, this cost me all in for the full bundle £10, so that was with the control pad and the games. So all in, I'm probably looking about a return for about £60. Take away all the fees, I'm probably looking at about £30 profit. £30 profit for £10 is okay. It's not the best, but it's okay, and these are all quick sellers, so that's the most important thing. Okay, so next up we have the Coleman Classic Awning. This is brand spanking new. It is 100% new, it is still tagged, it is not being opened, it is still sealed. Now, this is a very large item, so this could be a bit of a nuisance when it comes to the whole packaging and sending to FBA, but I got this for £8, okay? £8. Brand new, still sealed, still tagged. Generally when I sell on FBA, I tend to try and stick to smaller items, but I will make an exception when it comes to larger items that are new and command a good profit and are quick sellers. Now of course you can always sell on merchant fulfilled or fulfilled by merchant, and this just means that I could deal with the whole postage process, but in this situation I would probably just send it to Amazon FBA, and I'll show you exactly why. So this is the listing here for the Coleman Classic Awning. Now, I'm aware of Coleman products. I actually had a Coleman tent at one point. It was the kind of pop-up tent with the telescopic poles. Amazing tents, amazing for going camping. But regardless, if you look at the price of this, it is £59.99. It's got one new, so there's only one listing. It's sold by Coleman, and the one that is listed as prime, so you have to really match that unless you're willing to really drop the price. So I will send this in fulfilled, and I will send it to Amazon, and I will also match that exact same price. Now it's got 109 customer reviews, it's got 45 questions answered, it has also got a BSR of 49,000, and it is also 23 in camping awnings. Now again, I've not got Helium 10 working on this computer, but I have checked on the laptop, and this is a quick seller. This will sell pretty quick. I reckon probably about 2 weeks possibly, but for £8 I really can't complain, because the profit margin there you're looking at about probably £40, maybe a little bit less because of the size of that. The shipping would be a little bit more, so even let's say maybe £35 profit. That's a great profit for £8. I cannot complain. And now it's time for the big one. Now I could not believe when I seen this and the price that I seen this for. I was quite shocked, but again, this does tend to happen. If you just look, you will find these little golden nuggets that can command a very high profit. And what I found was this right here. It is the Newmark NDX 200. Now, truth be told, I wasn't exactly 100% sure what it was. Now, I knew it was some sort of audio equipment, DJ equipment, but I wasn't 100% sure what it was. But when I seen the listing and I seen the price, you get an eye for these things. You start to kind of realise where the profit is. And with a quick search then, I did indeed realise this did command a very strong profit. It comes with the wires, it comes with the audio cables, and it is working very, very well. It works perfectly. So yeah, I was very happy with this product. And it cost me £40, okay, £40. So we're going to quickly check on Amazon and see how much money this is worth. And there you have it, guys. So if you're buying it new, it's £294, and there is one used listing for £225. Wow. So I have done the deductions on this, and excluding shipping, it is coming out around about £160 profit. This is after fees, and this is after the cost of product, which was £40. So I'm going to click on this used one here, and we'll have a little look at it. So it just says used in good condition. Okay, now this is definitely in good condition, and it is in perfect working condition. I have also checked this on Helium 10. It has got a BSR of 56,000, I believe, at the moment, but this is ever changing constantly because it does sell quite a lot. It sells roughly about 4 times a month. So yeah, it may sit there for a little bit, but 4 times a month, okay, for that kind of profit. And here is the thing. The one that is sitting right here, the used good condition one, is not prime, okay? So if I put mines up, I can put that exact same price on, or more if I wish, but I'm not going to be too greedy. I'll put it on at the same, but the fact that mines has the prime logo, mines will be the first one to sell for a whopping £160. So yeah, this was an absolutely amazing little find. I found this last night, messaged the seller straight away, told me he still had it, and I jumped at the chance, just got into the car, went and picked up, gave him the £40, ran out the door, and cheerio. So I'll switch back now. So yeah, guys, I mean, that was an absolutely amazing little find at the end up there. You will find things like this quite a lot. This is a little bit of a heavy item, but it is worth it. Even the cost of shipping, it's going to be worth it just for the sheer profit you're going to get for that. And it should sell within it would sell within the month, I can imagine. So if you're new to FBA and you're looking to just get your feet in the door and start making profits, then online arbitrage, for me personally, is definitely one of the best ways to go. And using things like Facebook, local ads, all these different ways that you can now make some real profits with, it is such a golden opportunity in this day and age. But anyway, guys, I think that is me for this video. I have showed you all I had to show you. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. And of course, if you'd like to see more, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification, that way you'll not miss a thing. But as always, guys, thank you all very much for watching. Take care. I will see you all later. Goodbye.